From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Well, another hot one today across the area. Temperatures getting up into the middle 90s, at least 95 here in Lafayette. Relatively quiet sun and cloud mixed, even mostly sunny skies out there at times, but we are starting to track a little bit of a disturbance that's rolling in from the north, and that's producing some very heavy rainfall and quite a bit of lightning with some of these storms across northern portions of Acadiana. Look at this cell and Allen Parish here just to the north and west of Oberlin. And then further to the east, as we get in Evangeline Parish just south of Ville Platte, nice little cell there as well. And then scattered downpours continue as we get into St. Mary Parish, just to the north and east of the Baldwin and Franklin area here. And again, nice little downpour with quite a bit of lightning. So we're going to be tracking these scattered storms at least over the next couple of hours as that energy is going to be dropping southward. Now, here's what we got going on in the upper levels. Frontal trough here, that's diving southward. Now, we're going to see a piece of that energy kind of slip away from the main upper level trough and sneak into the Gulf of Mexico. And anytime we see that this time of year with the leftover frontal boundary, there's always that possibility that a weak surface low pressure tries to form along that. And that's what the Hurricane Center is highlighting here for potential tropical development across the northern Gulf Coast with that feature, giving it about a 20% chance to develop at least into a depression over the next 5 days. But regardless of that happening, it's going to be a rainmaker for sure. In fact, some high rainfall totals across at least portions of the Gulf Coast. Right now, model is hinting that maybe the highest total setting up a little bit further off to our east, but hopefully the bulk of that stays just offshore. But nonetheless, we are looking at elevated rain chances here across Acadiana over the next several days due to that feature. So again, scattered storms remaining possible through about 8 or 9 o'clock this evening as that energy is going to be dropping southward. But then by about 11 o'clock and midnight, most of that comes to an end. And then we're looking at a relatively quiet night ahead, mid-70s for the overnight low. So that's where we'll start our Monday. Right back up, low to mid-90s into the afternoon. Heat index anywhere from around 102 to 107 during the hottest part of the day. So still plenty hot out there tomorrow with at least some scattered downpours lurking around the area, especially during the afternoon. So we got to maintain at least a 40% rain chance. But again, not everyone necessarily getting wet. 40 to 50% into Tuesday. And it looks like rain chance is still peaking during the middle parts of the week. Now, as far as rainfall totals, this is the European model, the most concerning, not necessarily for us, showing anywhere from around 1 inch to 2 inches of rainfall possible over the next week. Notice this is taking us through next Sunday. But look at this. We get further off to the east. We're talking some very impressive rainfall totals setting up just offshore. This is, we're talking 15, 20, maybe even 25 plus inches of rainfall here just off the Alabama and Florida coastline. In fact, some of that even perhaps sneaking inland, but that's just one model run, so not an official forecast, but nonetheless a little concerning to say the least, at least for them. And then here we go, GFS 2 to 3 inches here locally over the next week with, again, slightly higher amounts staying offshore. So we'll see how that plays out, but that feature definitely going to be a rainmaker at the very least. But again, hopefully the highest rainfall totals setting up just offshore. 77 the projected low tonight with scattered storms at around 60%, but then quieting down after midnight. 94 the projected high tomorrow, partly cloudy, hot and humid with tropical downpours mainly for the afternoon and evening hours. And again, tropical downpours staying in the forecast for most of the upcoming week. And again, we will continue to watch that disturbance as it makes its way into the Gulf of Mexico over the next several days. We'll have another update with updated numbers and model guidance coming up tonight at 10.